Okay, let's say our string, okay, pendulum, it swings back and forth. Okay, and its angle is theta, okay, towards the vertical, and its mass mg. So I could get two components, mg cos theta and mg sine theta. Okay, we know that for the spring, we were using displacement. Okay, so when it goes down, let's say going down is positive, the force is negative or outwards, right? So for this, we change displacement to angle. So when the angle is increasing, is going right at this direction, the force is also increasing but in the opposite direction. Okay, so you can say F equals to negative mg sine theta because it's in opposite direction. And of course we got the F equals to m8. Okay, so A equals to negative g sine theta. Okay, and then because this is acceleration, but we don't have, acceleration is in terms of displacement, but we don't have, so we need to find another formula from our circular measure where we know that arc equals to r theta, where theta is angle, velocity equals to r omega, angular speed, acceleration equals to r alpha, angular acceleration. Okay, so we substitute this to this, and r is the radius, and for pendulum is equals to the length of the string because it oscillate in a circle, you can say, basically. But then you not do a circle, of course, you swing back and forth. So we got L alpha equals to negative g sine theta, alpha equals to negative g over L sine theta. Okay, now another interesting thing. If I plot a graph of sine theta against theta, in a way you can see that when angle is small, sine theta is directly proportional to theta. So you can say that sine theta is equals to theta. Okay, so I can write it as alpha equals to negative g over L theta. Okay, and then similarly for the spring, we got acceleration equals to negative omega square x, but this one is displacement, so we got our angle one, alpha equals to negative omega square theta. Compare these two, g over L equals to omega square, omega equals to 2 pi over t, so 2 pi over t equals to surd g over L, t equals to 2 pi surd L over g. This is the formula where we interacted with during our SPM also. So it says that the period of pendulum only depends on length, not mass.